In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SmartArt graphics in PowerPoint. Whether you're designing a dynamic presentation or just looking to add some visual appeal to your slides, SmartArt graphics offer an excellent way to graphically represent your information. They bring your data to life and make your presentation more engaging and understandable. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to begin by opening your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Once you have your presentation in front of you, navigate to the slide where you wish to add a SmartArt graphic. The placement of your SmartArt is essential because it can be the focal point for that particular slide. This ensures your content is clear and effectively communicated. Next, head over to the menu bar and click on Insert. This is where you'll find the Illustrations group. Within this group, you want to select SmartArt. This opens up a dialog box presenting various options. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories such as process, cycle, or hierarchy. Depending on the type of information you intend to display, select the category that best suits your needs. Once you've picked a category, browse through the central pane, which showcases the specific layout options available. Choose the design that resonates most with your presentation style and click OK to insert it onto your slide. Once your SmartArt graphic is on the slide, it's time to add your text. You'll notice a text pane appear to the side of your SmartArt graphic. Click inside this text pane. You will see placeholders labeled as text. Click on these bullets and type in your content. This is where you shape the narrative of your slide, so take care to input clear and concise information. PowerPoint also offers the flexibility to customize the structure of your SmartArt. If you want to add more entities or nodes, simply press the Enter key. This will add additional shapes to your SmartArt. If you find there are shapes you don't need, press the Backspace or Delete key to remove them. To adjust the hierarchy or positioning of items, use the Tab key to demote items, making them lower in the hierarchy, or press Shift plus Tab to promote them, elevating them within the structure. Once your text is in place, let's move on to customizing the look of your SmartArt. Click on any design within the Layouts group to change the arrangement if necessary. For a splash of color, click on Change Colors and select a new color scheme that aligns with your presentation theme. Finally, add visual effects by choosing a style from the SmartArt Styles gallery. This allows you to apply various textures or framed looks, making your SmartArt more visually appealing. And there you have it, a straightforward way to incorporate SmartArt graphics into your PowerPoint presentations, giving them the visual boost they deserve. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to creating engaging and professional presentations.